Hello everybody, here is Captain Rom from Mira again with the second part of our radar and chart plot installation. I filmed it yesterday and we managed to lay all the lines out in the boat. It was a big job. The whole boat was ripped out apart. Looks like a bomb exploded in here. But it was very easy. We had enough room everywhere. The through holes are good, and it was much easier than expected. So we could make a good progress yesterday. We installed everything, and all is left for tomorrow is just hook it up and test it out. All the mounting things are done now. It's just the last step is to run it, give him power, and test it and explain it and things like that. So I'm very glad. It's really a big step in the life of Mira. Get such a nice system. Everything works together now, talks together now. It's incredible how the technique is today. Yeah, have fun by watching the video, and like usual, I beg you to like and comment and make an abonnement of the channel, so it has maybe the chance to grow a little bit more. Yeah. If you have questions, as usual, write them please down in the comments. I will answer you. So have fun by watching this video. Bye bye.
It's too much now. Put the ropes. I pull.
Move all the cables to the boat, to the backboard. The guy sits in here. Now we open the control panel. Upstairs are two, eh? Ah, okay, I see what you...
Inside, everything is blue now. And solar getting the key. Everything now, all the holes. And them and fill it up to the bottom. And the 3 left we need for the new system. This is the IS. Show every information around the boat, radar, AIS, charts, wind, speed, depth, everything is possible to see on this chart plot. So I'm very glad we did this installation. I'll wait till tomorrow for the finishing part. Thanks very much for watching all the week. I'm very glad you people are interested in that. If I can explain something, I will gladly do it. So please write in the comments. And I'm happy to see you at the next step, which will be the final one. And maybe I can explain a little bit how this bad boy is working then. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.